Hey, you guys. So I was waiting for the thing to say I was live. So listen, we're on vacation and we haven't gotten started yet to get dressed to leave the house to go do some things. Let me make sure my volume is up. And I just wanted to share some differences and similarities to life insurance and network marketing or direct selling. I've been involved in both industries for a long time. I've had different businesses, I've had multiple businesses in the network marketing and direct selling space. And I've heard a lot of people say that insurance has components of the network marketing industry. I'm sorry, I'm sitting outside, or is similar to the network marketing industry. And I could see why people say that there are some parallels in terms of you can definitely build and grow a team in life insurance. You definitely can earn residual income in life insurance like you can in network marketing. And you also can build a team and earn commissions from those team sales in life insurance and in network marketing and then health insurance and MedSup sales. So I don't do MedSup or long-term care, so I'm not going to speak on that because I don't have any details about it. But what I will share with you is that there are some distinct differences. Sorry, they're doing a lot of construction over here. Let me go inside. That way you can hear me really well. So just some distinct differences that I wanted to share in case you're looking at life insurance as a potential business. My family's still asleep, as a potential business and something that you're considering doing. What I want you to think about is the fact that with a life insurance and a health insurance license, even if you're building a team, and this is a distinct difference, right? Number one is that you can earn residual sales, meaning get paid over and over again every time your client pays their policy and their policy renews. You're going to get residual income. And those residuals could go 3 years all the way up to 10 years. As long as they're paying their bill and their policy doesn't lapse, there's a difference there, right? So a lot of times whenever people purchase products through direct sales or network marketing, they may use those products for 90 days to a year. Yes, there are some long-term customers that are faithful and they're always going to order their product, their thing, their widget, their whatever that is, right? But every time someone renews their life insurance or pays their bill, you're going to get residual income over and over and over again. So you could be doing something else, working your full-time job, but just be putting your personal sales in place. And while you're selling, that only happens with whole life, right? Whole life, health products, Medicare supplement is a MedSup, long-term care. So residuals are paid with long-term, long-term products, whole life. And I'm trying to say that term you don't get paid residuals on, right? So when you think about comparing life insurance as a business to network marketing or direct selling, just know that you can make residual income as it relates to team building. The difference between team building, in my opinion, with life insurance and network marketing and direct sales is these are individually, independently licensed agents, brokers, depending on what state they're in, and they're going to be contracted with the carriers, right? So all the carrier contracts are different. What they specialize in is different. What they sell is different. But every time someone on your team sells a product, if you're licensed in the state that they're licensed in, which is sometimes a requirement, not always, but let's say, for example, I'm in North Carolina, right? And the person whose team I'm on at my IMO is in Delaware and they don't have a North Carolina license, chances are they're not going to be able to get paid on my sales, right? So if you know that you're building and growing a team in different states and in different places, then of course you want to get that non-resident license so you can get paid. So every time your team member in life insurance and health insurance, let's say life insurance for now, then I'll go back to health insurance, sells a product, you're going to earn a residual from the carrier as a thank you on that sale, right? Sorry, I'm just trying to move that over. And then let's just say it's a health product. If you don't have a health license and your business partner sells a health product, you don't get paid on that, right? So I would encourage you, as you're recruiting and you're recruiting people that have life and health licenses, get your life and your health license so every time they make a sale in the state that they're in, that you're also licensed in, you can get paid This can go on and on and on, right? You can build a willable business in life insurance. Yes, you can do the same thing in network marketing. But I'll be honest with you that from my experience in the industry and just from the things I've read, the things I've studied as it relates to network marketing, which I think is an excellent field, I'm not dogging it out, I'm just making a comparison. People last about 90 days, 6 months max. But when someone comes into the life insurance industry, because it is a certified, it's a license. It's a license to help. It's a license to serve. It's a license to make money, right? They can take that insurance license anywhere. Most people, because of the amount of difficulty that is perceived that goes into getting the license, they're going to keep it. They're not just going to let it lapse, right? And they may come in and out of the industry, but they're going to keep the license. So you have a stronger opportunity to build incredible residual income with a life insurance license compared to network marketing, right? Those products come and go, those things change. With life insurance, there's consistency, there's stability. It is one of the number one wealth building products that exist in our world, right? So there's insurance, there's real estate, there's franchise ownership. It all ranks right up there the same. But when you have a life insurance license, you have a license to print paper, you have a license to leave a legacy financially for you and your family. How does that differ in network marketing? You don't have to worry about the product instability or the product changing or the trends, right? Because life insurance is stable, it's portable, right? It's a business that you can take anywhere, especially if you're a mom, you're a dad, you're a single parent, you're looking for a second career, you're looking to do all these different things. You can take your life and health insurance license to any state with the exception of New York. You can even take it to Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, Hawaii. So the difference with network marketing and with life insurance, when you sell a network marketing and direct selling product, again, not dogging out that, I'm just making a comparison, right? I have some network marketing businesses on the side. But the difference is the products with that can change, right? And then you may go to an area where that product isn't offered, or they don't ship to that particular location, or there's some stipulations around it, right? But with life and health insurance, you can sell anywhere. The product's not going to change. It's either term life, it's either whole life, it's either universal life, it's either has living benefits or doesn't, right? It either has a child rider or it doesn't. And so I would encourage you, if you're looking at and you're saying, okay, going into this second half of 2023, I'm really thinking about, do I want to get my life insurance license, or do I want to start a network marketing business? Do I want to go into real estate? I encourage you to take a strong look at life insurance, right? Of course, we're recruiting, but this isn't a recruiting video. This is to tell you, as you're looking at different businesses, how to compare apples to oranges. Also, when you have a network marketing business, there's a monthly income commitment, right? There's an auto ship commitment where if you don't have your auto ship set up, depending on the company that you're with, you're not eligible for commissions. In life insurance, you're always eligible for commissions. You're always one check away from success, right? For your personal success. In other words, if you need to make a utility payment today and you're like, oh my gosh, I got to pay my electric bill, you could technically go out and write an insurance policy and get paid tomorrow or the next day, depending on what time you submit and write the policy. And as long as it doesn't have to go through a lot of underwriting, like if they have a lot of medical problems and things like that. Let's say that you need to make your car payment this week, right? You could go out and write business and get paid this week for your car payment. And let's just say this month you say, you know what, I'm going on vacation. It's July, it's August. I want to spend the summer with my kids. I want to chill out, right? To stay active with one of the companies I'm with, you do need to submit one policy a month, right? One policy a month in 30 to 31 days. But let's say you want to go on vacation in network marketing and direct selling, right? And it's July and August, and they're like, you need to sell, buy, right? And you don't want your auto ship pulling, you don't want to invest money because it's the summertime, you want to go enjoy your family. Well, you don't always have that luxury in network marketing and direct selling, because if you cancel your auto ship or cut it off, now you're not qualified for commissions. It becomes this thing, right? Where in insurance, you can take a break whenever you want. You can work from wherever you want. We're in Florida. right? I can work from my phone doing videos. I can work from my phone doing marketing and social media. I wrote a policy the night that we got here. I did it from my computer, right? Because people can print off the documents on their side, wet sign, send it back to you. You can do electronic signatures. You can do phone voice authorizations. You can do everything over the phone, over your laptop, your iPad, your computer. So that's the difference. Is one, with network marketing, you have auto ships and product requirement, inventory requirement. With life and health insurance, there's no product and inventory requirement. The carriers have the product, they have the marketing tools and pieces. That's the other thing with network marketing and direct selling. You pay for your marketing pieces, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. It's a business. But with insurance, life and health insurance, and the different carriers that you work for, they will send you free marketing. All you gotta do is put your sticker on it, right? Or write your name on it. They will send you free marketing brochures. They'll send you all the free advertising that you need. So when you're looking at life and health insurance and whether you should get your license and comparing it to network marketing and direct selling, you can literally come into life and health insurance. You can take $40 to take the life insurance class with our team. Your costs are gonna be the cost of your insurance, your background check, your fingerprints, and your license, right? So those are gonna be your costs. Depends on your state what it will cost. Here in North Carolina, it costs about $400, right? Because I'm thinking that the state license was $59, the background check was $59, the class, when I took the class, it was $199. I think somebody gave me a $99 coupon. So my class $100, that's about $300, and then your background check. So every state's going to be different, but think about it. The minute that I got that license and then I got my license hung with my IMO and with my new carrier, Lincoln Heritage, it didn't cost me anything to do that, right? And I can immediately start writing business. Also with Lincoln Heritage, you're going to get a monthly website. You can get a website for $15 a month. So you can use that website to share with people, for them to go on and request a free quote from Lincoln Heritage or Occidental, which is American Amicable, two really great companies, right? It's streamlined. That's the last thing I want to share with you. If you're considering network marketing, direct sales versus life and health insurance, life insurance is streamlined, meaning it's done for you. You don't have to figure out the product. You don't have to explain the product. That's what the websites are for. That's what the brochures are for. You don't need to be the expert on the details of the product. Yes, you need to be an expert, but the details of the product can be shared with the company's marketing materials. You can call into the company and have someone share it with your client. You can call into the company and get everything you need from underwriting. You don't have to be a walking encyclopedia, right? So it's duplicable, right? Duplicatable. That is a huge part of success in network marketing, direct sales, and life insurance sales. Can it duplicate, right? Whatever you're doing, if it can't duplicate, it's not going to build a residual income. It's not going to build a residual business. So you want to think about, as you're looking at the two of these, how can you make it duplicate? Anyone can get a license. Anyone can pass the exam. It's not hard. It's probably one of the easiest tests I've taken. Real estate is gangster. It's hard. I'm not gonna lie. But you can do it, but it's hard and it's gangster, right? So once you get the license, no one can take that from you. Even if you have a background, yes, if you have a background in network marketing and direct sales, it doesn't matter. They don't check backgrounds, right? But even if you have a background and you want to come into the financial industry, I know people that, yes, they had to overcome a few extra hoops. They had to go through some extra qualifications, but you can still get a license. It will not preclude you from getting a license. You just may have to work harder at it to get the license, okay? So don't let anything hold you back. We're inviting you to get information from us, to consider being a part of our team. Let's see if we're a good fit. Let's see if we can work together. We're recruiting in North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, Georgia, Delaware, New Jersey, Washington, D.C., and Maryland. So we would love to talk to you. We're looking for go-getters. We're looking for hungry people. This is not a get-rich-quick business. This is not an easy business, but it will pay you extremely well. You're looking to make an extra $500 to $1,000 a week. Or if you're like me, God has blessed me through real estate to earn a consistent six-figure income, but now it's residual time. It's leverage time. So if that's you, if you're like, hey, I've been in business a long time, you know, and you're ready to build and stop with just the grind and the hustle of it, you got to come in with the mindset of, I'm ready to leverage myself. I'm ready to get residual income for me and my family. This is the business for you. You can do it. Life and health insurance is that missing piece to your wealth plan that you've been looking for, and it's great. So give me a call. First, I'm on vacation. I'll be back in the office on Monday. But I did put my information in the comments section, but you can text me and say, hey, send me information. I'll send you over a video that talks about why work with us here at Lincoln Heritage with your license. I'm telling you, is an excellent career. I'm so excited that the Lord told me about 2 or 3 years ago. He said, Garland, the real estate is changing. The real estate market is changing. I want you to go get your license. And I did, and literally was about to walk away from it. I was like, thank God wisdom kicked in, and whatever was going on in my brain clicked off, right? Well, it was grief from my brother's passing away, but if you heard my other video, you heard me share that, right? But if you're tossing around network marketing, direct sales, real estate, life insurance, health insurance, pick life insurance. I'm telling you, it's the ticket. Look forward to hearing from you. I'm Garlinda Price, broker and owner of Fusion Insurance Group, 910-494-7798. God bless you guys, and happy Friday.